The last few weeks have been quite the roller coaster for Bitcoin's price, soaring up to $72K only to dip down to $58K in the following few weeks, though we have now seen a bit of a rebound in the markets. While sentiments can change in a flash, it's worth noting that we're currently about 16% off Bitcoin's all-time high levels as of now. The same can't be said for most altcoins, though. Even though Bitcoin has been performing better than most altcoins overall, its dominance has been hovering around the 54 to 56% mark for the past 3 months, struggling to decisively break past 54%. Nevertheless, MicroStrategy seems to think it's a good time to buy and has snagged another 12K BTC or so at an average cost of $65,883. But maybe Bitcoin's stall shouldn't be all that surprising, considering that the recent buzz in the crypto world hasn't revolved around it. Following Ethereum's surprising spot ETF approvals last month, Van Eck has jumped in with a spot Solana ETF filing, causing SOL to briefly spike. While many have taken to crypto Twitter to express their doubts that it would get approved anytime soon, the filing has reignited some bullish sentiment in the markets. Speaking of the ETH ETF, rumors are going around that it could be approved for trading as soon as the first week of July, after the 4th of July holiday, which is a much earlier estimate than previously thought. In other news, Consensus has received official notice from the SEC closing its investigation into Ethereum 2.0, dropping allegations that ETH sales constitute securities transactions. But the saga continues as Consensus is still battling the SEC in court, alleging an unlawful power grab following a Wells notice issued back in April. The SEC has retaliated by suing Consensus over MetaMask, alleging unregistered brokerage and staking services. In other news, is Bretton Woods back? USDT issuer Tether has just announced Alloy, which blends the trust and familiarity of transacting in fiat currencies with the enduring value of gold. Alloy is supposed to represent a variety of potential tethered assets that are backed by Tether Gold, XAUT. In case you need a refresher, Tether Gold is tokenized gold by Tether, which should be backed by physical gold, which is securely stored in Switzerland. For now, there's a USDT or Alloy USD Tether, which, you guessed it, is a USD-pegged stablecoin backed by Tether Gold. Meanwhile, on the Mt. Gox front, repayments in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash are slated to begin in July. Opinions on its market impact vary widely, so it'll for sure be interesting to see how things unfold. Lastly, there have been some notable airdrops lately, including ZK Sync and Layer 0 finally releasing tokens after years of anticipation. Ethereum Layer 2 Blast has also announced its own airdrop. With all these drops happening, remember to stay vigilant and verify your eligibility only through official channels. And that's a wrap for this week. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next one.